PDRN is suddenly everywhere in skincare, but is it actually worth the hype? Let's let the science decide. PDRN stands for polydeoxyribonucleotide. It's made of DNA fragments, commonly sourced from salmon. It's been studied for tissue repair and wound healing. Instead of literally putting DNA into your skin and repairing your DNA, PDRN appears to influence pathways involved in tissue repair, including A2A adenosine receptors and nucleotide recycling. The strongest evidence is around wound healing and tissue repair. Early research is promising, but most aesthetic evidence is still limited. And much of it involves injectable treatments rather than ordinary topical skincare. So, is PDRN fake? No. Is it a miracle? Also, no. It's a promising ingredient with real biological activity. But there is still not enough evidence to be completely sure. So listen to me, sweetheart, and don't trust these trends much until there is real evidence and years of studies. Until next time, stay curious, stay beautiful, and stay scientific. Thanks for watching.